In this video, what we'll do is we will try to solve the challenge given in top videos for Rave and Rich for the auto layouts problem. So let's get started. So first, what I have done is I have created a view in which I have put it the elements like label and the text field and the buttons. Now we will start applying constraint on this so it looks fine, but we can have a look before going to this how it looks on other devices without applying constraint. So I go there and see preview, and you can see that it looks fine on the device which we are designing, iPhone SE, but it's not looks as much as great on iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 11 Pro Max landscape, iPhone 8 Plus. It's all cut from the right hand sides, and in iPhone SE in landscape mode it also doesn't fit all to the entire screen as we wanted, and on iPads also it doesn't looks good. So now we will start applying constraint and see how it will looks great on all devices. So I will move to the editor. First we will apply constraint to this label first name. So I will apply constraint the leading and the top. After that we'll apply constraint to this text field from the trailing and the top. Now we need to apply constraint for the width also, so I will just resize this and apply the width constraint. Since of in strict size property of Xcode, this height constraint will get automatically for this and this label. Now we need to apply constraint for this text field and this label so that the distance always remains same. So now I will go there, press, and I will choose horizontal spacings. After that we need to apply constraint for this save button. So what I will do is I will choose from there and add two constraints. Now everything looks fine since it will use in strict size property, and we will not need it to provide height and width for this save button, and hopefully it will look fine. So let's review. So it looks like this fine on iPhone SE, but on this device, on iPhone 11 Pro Max, this text field do not grow, and this creates a differences. Same onto the landscape mode, and for iPhone 8 Plus also again the same problem. So we will go ahead and fix this problem. So what we want to do is we want to make our text field to grow, and in order to do that, what we'll do is we will choose our text field, go from attribute inspector and selecting this width constraint and giving this height it's greater than or equal, so it can be just greater than or equal to this size. Now when again review this constraint, you can go pro preview, and now it looks fine on iPhone SE again, iPhone 11 Pro Max again this looks good. Now this is about 11 Pro Max, it's again looks good. iPhone 8 Plus on portrait mode it looks good. iPhone SE in landscape mode it looks good, and this is about iPad, it also looks great. So everything looks great on all devices, and this was all about the challenge given in the top videos. If you feel any problem or face any issue, just message or comment on my video.